Hey creators, Krishna here with PerspecTube, and in this video, I'm going to unbox my very first camera, which is Sony ZV-E10, and along with the tripod. The Sony ZV-E10 camera is also called a vlogging camera. This Sony camera is packed with lots of unique features like 24.2 megapixel camera with aps-c sensor for detailed photos and videos, and of course flip out screen for easy vlogging, simple control with an on and off switch and large record button, customizable button like product showcase and background defocus, external microphone and headphone jack for better audio, USB-C for the data transfer and charging, and a micro HDMI for connectivity, and with lightweight and portable design. The unique selling point or the USP of this camera is that the lenses are interchangeable and you can fit multiple other lenses. I'm really excited to unbox my very first camera. Alright, let's get started. The very first thing is a content creator membership card, which Sony has provided with a ZV-E10 and other user manuals that Sony has presented us in different languages that we provided on grid. Let's keep this one aside. And let's get to the main event. The very first thing we got it over here is for Sony rechargeable battery. It's not too big, however, it has 1020 mAh with 7.2 volt charge. And the other thing we got is the charging wire. Sony actually provides 3 types of charging wire. That's really good. I wish other company also do the same. And then we got a USB-A to USB-C data cable, which can be used for charging and data transfer. And the next one we got is the charging adapter, a small and compact AC adapter. A furry wine cover for the microphone. And a strap. Now, which is in the first container, the main event. Ta-da! There is the Sony ZV-E10. It's noticeably compact, fits on my palm, and feels quite lightweight. Sony has gone for a more beginner-friendly approach with this one, but let's see what it got. The body feels a bit plasticky and the grip fits perfectly on my hand or maybe in the small hands as well. On the top, they have kept the thing simple with an easy on and off switch on nice and big record button. Plus there is a mode dial for quickly switching between photo, video and slow motion modes, and that is really handy and user-friendly background defocus. The zoom rocker is great for one-handed shooting, which is super convenient. And this button here is for still photo shooting and the big setting dial for the aperture control. One of the standout features is the flip out screen, perfect for vlogging or shooting YouTube content. We have a manual button over here. We have also circular dial and you can customize this. We have a play button to preview the images and also the delete button over here, which they have also added handy custom buttons like a product showcase. I'm quite impressed with the external microphone and headphone jack. They are a big upgrade for audio compared to other versions of the Sony camera. There is also HDMI port for external monitors and USB-C for power and connectivity. The unique selling point or the USP for this camera is lens is interchangeable and fits multiple other lenses. Pressing the button under the lens and rotating it detaches parts from the camera body. Let it be for now. And underneath we have a battery compartment along with SD card slot. Let me put the battery in. Like this. When the battery is inserted, it makes lock-in sounds. I also bought a separate 120 gig SD card. Let's put this inside as well. And let's put this card in the camera body itself. Let's lock this battery compartment. And the next we are going to set up this wind shield. Let's fit it over here. And this camera is almost ready to use it. Let's put this camera aside and let's unbox our tripod. Additionally, for an extra $100, you can get the Sony tripod, which is an awesome accessory for this camera. The tripod is compact, lightweight, and perfect for a stable shooting. Next in the box, we got some user manuals as well as the CMOS battery. Let's put this user manuals aside. And let's put this CMOS battery inside the tripod. Let's put this battery aside for now and let's open the tripod. Let's keep this boxing on the other side to do the unboxing of our camera tripod. This looks compact and very great. We have these 3 legs, and on the back we can insert the CMOS battery. Let's open this one. So to open this one, you have to push down as well as on the left at the same time. Let's insert this CMOS battery. And actually, let's set this one with the camera as well. To lock it, this one, you have to make it the way you want the tripod, as well as you have to scroll the wheel to the right hand side. This. And there you go. The camera is perfectly ready for the use. It also doubles as a grip, making it easier to handle the camera while vlogging or taking selfies. It even has an integrated remote control for zoom and recordings, giving you more flexibility and convenience while shooting. Overall, the Sony ZV-E10 offers a straightforward designs geared towards vloggers and content creators, bridging the gap between the compact camera and more advanced model. If you like this video, hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new video. Also, you can subscribe to the channel, which helps me to grow on the YouTube. Thank you. See you on the next video. Until then, stay creative.